Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Nissan Qashqai Plus 2 here on a 2011 plate. Just did a position lamp on the passenger side front. I'll show you how to do that as well. But as you can see in the video in the start, you can see the one on the passenger side is working, but the driver's side isn't working. I'm going to show you how it's done. It is quite awkward. You need really skinny fingers. My hands are quite big, but I still got it done. I'm sure you can do it as well. The bulb you need is a 501 bulb, which can be found in the description. There'll be a link for it. Do check it out. Now let's show you how it's done. Now that the lights are off, the bulb we need to remove, if you look on the inside there, that's the bulb holder right there. So I've got to wedge my fingers in through this gap here and make sure the engine is off and is not running. So just in case you get yourself caught up with the alternator belt, you don't want to really do that. Right, once I put my fingers in, all I do is twist it to my left, so kind of going like this basically. So there we go. It is going to be a bit tight. I should have loosened it up, but that's it. That's out now. So that's the whole thing. Just remember how you take it out, that's how you put it back in as well. So it is a 501 bulb, which can be found in the description, the link for it. Just gonna grab a bulb. I've got the new bulb already. Slot that through here. And then through the hole again. So basically that's the hole right there, that's where it needs to go. So I've got to line it up through this gap here and then inside. So once it goes in, you just got to make sure it slots in all the way. Just hold it right there, please. Now you can see it's gone in all the way. So all you then do is twist it to your right. That's it. So that's in now, it's solid. So we're just going to check, see, make sure it's working, and I'll show you the other side as well. That's working, yeah. Switch lights off. Now to do the other side, again it is a simple procedure. So I've got these two little clips here, which goes right across here. So you get a screwdriver, lift the clips up on both sides. So you remove these clips. Once you remove the clips, you then gently lift this up. You've got to remember this pipe here as well, which slots into here. So when you do put it back, make sure you line this pipe up and then slot it, push it down. You then twist it, take the whole thing out. So this is out. Now the same thing again, the bulb we're doing is that one right there. So all you do is wedge your fingers in. So I think I'm going to come from that angle, will be better. So wedge the fingers in and then to your left, like you did. This is quite awkward. Not a lot of space. Just to my left. So it goes in like this. There we go. It's left and then out. That's what it is. So you then slot it back in, change the bulb, slot it back in through the same hole, push it in all the way, make sure it lines up, and then you twist it to your right. So it goes in like, opens like that, closes like this, basically open, close. Okay, now putting this back together as well, so it's easy. You slot it in through that gap, you line this hole up, that's it, and then you put the clips back on. These clips are quite, not good. As you can see there, one side is broken. So if I just line it up, they're quite flimsy basically. So do that as well. Job done. Right. That's all it was on this particular model. Sorry about the other side. It is quite awkward. Like I said, you need really skinny hands for it. But we got it done. It's not difficult. It is a Nissan Qashqai Plus 2 on a 2011 plate. So if you've got something like this and you want to do the position lamp, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video as well. Goodbye.